Let us learn how I made this beautiful welcome slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here like this and write here welcome. And select the text and change the font and change the font size and change the spacing loose and increase the font size and place it like this. Go to shape format, go to text effect, go to shadow, select the offset bottom. Then let me press Ctrl D to make it duplicate, place it here and right here to my presentation and decrease the font size, place it here and let me change the font from here and go to shape format, go to text effect, go to reflection and select half reflection touching. Then I have to add a flower picture. You may go to any browser, you can write here flower png and then you will find various kind of picture here. You may download any picture from here. I have downloaded this one. So let me go to insert, go to picture, go to this device, click on download and select this picture. The picture should be the transparent background. Click on insert. Now let me place it here. Now let me go to design, go to format background, go to gradient fill. Now I have to change the fill color according to the flower color. Let me select this one and let me change the text color from here, make it white color. Also this one should be white color. Now go to here, let's select this point, go to eyedropper and let me select a color from here. Then select on this button, go to eyedropper and select this color. Then select this one, go to eyedropper, then let me select this color from here. Then you may change the point from here, then it will look more perfect. You may change from here, you may make it radial or you may make it linear. You can change the direction very easily from here and select the direction linear up, and you may change the transparency of this point here, and this is looking perfect. Now I have to make the flower duplicate and place it here. Now let me place it over here, press Ctrl D to make it duplicate. Let me zoom out and place it here. Again press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here, press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it here, and press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it here like this. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate, decrease the size, place it here, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here, decrease the size, press Ctrl D to duplicate, again press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it here. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here and doing the same task again and again. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate, decrease the size, place it here, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here and doing the same task. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here and doing the same task again and again. Delete this one and place this one here like this. Now let me click on right button, make a duplicate slide and rotate this one, place it here, rotate this one, place it here, rotate this one, place it here, rotate this one and place it over here and doing the same task. Now let me go my first slide, go to home, go to select, go to selection pane, select the text box 1 and text box 2 and place it here, and let me select this one and place it over here. Now select this one and this one, go to transition and click on morph and change the duration to 2.25 and let me watch the slideshow. This is perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.